Why aren't more people talking about crabgrass? It's not just a pesky weed. Crabgrass often gets a bad rap, but trust me, it's got some hidden superpowers. First up, it's tough as nails. This means it can thrive where other plants give up. So if you're dealing with a patchy lawn, crabgrass could be your new best friend. And get this, crabgrass is good for the soil. Its roots dig deep, helping to aerate the ground and make it healthier. Plus, it's like a natural mulch, keeping the soil moist and cool. But wait, there's more. Crabgrass is actually nutritious. Some cultures have been chowing down on crabgrass seeds for ages. Think of it as the unexpected guest who shows up and brings the best dish to the potluck. So next time you see crabgrass, give it a second chance. It might just be the hero your lawn needs. Like, subscribe, and comment if you've got any crabgrass stories to share.